If you're an influencer, creator, or business owner, you've probably felt it. Your reach is tanking, your engagement is plummeting, and no matter how many times you post, the algorithm decides who sees your content, not you. Creators are waking up. Influencers are removing their rose-colored glasses. Businesses are awake and can smell the coffee. Everyone is realizing the same thing. You don't own your audience. The platforms do. That's why influencers, creators, and brands with 5,000 followers or more are joining the Textergram Influencer Partner Program, because it finally gives you something the platforms never will: direct access to your audience, guaranteed delivery, and total control over your communication. No algorithms, no suppression, no pay to reach your own audience, just pure direct connection. The free features when you apply and are accepted on the Textergram Influencer Partner Program are powerful because they give you, as a creator, influencer, and business owner, direct reach, data ownership, 100% privacy, yours and your followers' details are never shared, scraped, or sold, and algorithm-proof communication, something social platforms cannot and will ever offer. Why do these free features matter for influencers with 5K plus followers? Gift 1. Digital e-card and capture page. System is helpful to convert followers into owned contacts. You can reach them anytime. This builds a portable audience you can reach even if a platform bans, throttles, or suppresses you. Gift 2. Free customer portal. Gives creators a private, secure hub to manage their audience. Lets you communicate without algorithm interference or platform ever-changing rules. Gift 3. 2,500 free text credits. Text message your most loyal followers your content posted link. Have 98% open rate compared to a max of 5% visibility on platforms. No algorithm decides who sees your content. Perfect for announcing drops, launches, events, or new content, and on what platforms. This strategy drives immediate reactions, engagement, comments, shares, and even sales. This targeted burst of activity forces the algorithm to show your content to more and more of your followers. Gift 4. Discount savings platform. This adds value for your entire audience without extra work on your part. This helps creators offer perks that increase loyalty and follower retention. More reasons for followers to join your text list and stay active on your various platforms. Gift 5. Direct access to Textergram's COO and CEO. This is extremely rare for any tech platform to offer a unique benefit of this kind. Influencers get direct support, strategy guidance, and priority problem solving. Textergram is committed to helping your brand grow. Gift 6. Promotion of your social media platforms on the Textergram's website. Free traffic to our website lets visitors discover creators and influencers from different platforms. This exposure helps you grow across multiple platforms, not just one. More followers, more visibility, more authority. Gift 7. Earn commissions. Absolutely no recruiting required. This is not an MLM, no team building, none of that nonsense. It's a passive income stream without building a downline. Monetizes your influence without selling courses or doing brand deals. Share your Textergram promo code with your followers. When they purchase one of the text packages, you get paid. It really is that easy. Customers must make a purchase and you'll earn commissions. You help them and you win too. This gives you revenue stability, especially when algorithms cut your reach and income. Apply now to the Textergram Influencer Partner Program because direct delivery wins. Get textergram.now.site.